I think we all go through this, that weird guilt feeling when we fall off track. But what I learned this week is that consistency isn't about never failing, it's about never giving up the chance to start again. Hi everyone, welcome back to Peer to Power. You know what's harder than starting something new? Starting again after you have stopped. Taking a break is always easy, but getting back up, that's where the real fight begins. After weeks of chaos, missed routines, random meals, and zero movement, I decided to reset, but quietly. Just small, realistic steps in my day to day life, and that's it. And do you know what I started with? I started with food. Because honestly, that's where I lose it the most. I didn't go on a diet, I didn't ban carbs or sugar. I just started eating within my calories. Not too much, not too little. And trust me, when you are in a 9 to 5 job, the struggle is more. Because you are just sitting, thinking, typing, and existing. It drains you more than a workout ever could. Like 2 years back, when I was not in corporate, I was doing immense gym. And yes, I was getting drained. But after joining the corporate world, sitting for 10 to 12 hours and then traveling to your office, it was more hectic and tiring than any workout. Literally broke my consistency of doing at least some sort of movement because I was so idle sitting on my desk and not doing any sort of movement. So what I did is I started adding micro movements like walking after every meal, taking the stairs instead of lift, and trust me, अभी भी मैं लिफ्ट अगर नहीं लेती हूँ एंड आई एम टेकिंग द स्टेयर्स, मैं इतना हांफती हूँ, लाइक लगता है कि भाई अभी ही मैं आई गेस गिर जाऊंगी. एंड माई ऑफिस इज बिल्डिंग इज नॉट दैट ह्यूज, 3 महाले का बिल्डिंग है. एंड मैं थर्ड फ्लोर जाते जाते सीढ़ी से मैं इतना थक जाती हूँ कि मैं मतलब 5 मिनट जाके बैठती हूँ कि भाई क्या ही कर लिया मैंने. बट येस, दैट इज हाउ माई बॉडी हैज बिकम अ garbage bag because of just not adding any sort of movement and not doing the exercises and not doing the not eating the nutritious food. So yes, it might sound silly, but those few moments of movement, they actually switch something in your brain. Like you remember, hey, my body still is a part of your story. You need to fix it. You need to keep it healthy. So yes, that is very much important. I know this week was not that bang on where I'm moving and doing a lot of exercises and being stricter on myself, but this week was slow and was more relatable to my long journey. As this is a journey which I need to make in my life for my entire life. It's not that I'm losing weight and then the energy or the hard work that I have put in is gone. So I just wanted to figure out these things like how I can maintain this for my entire life. Because I am, I guess, in that age where I know what is the things I should be doing and what are the things I shouldn't be doing. So it's my moral responsibility to do the right things in right way. And the right things can only be done when it's taken in a slower and in a right direction. So yeah, that's it. As and I really enjoy being a part of this community, which always helps in nurturing each other and giving advices and solution to each other's problems. Like maybe I'm telling something which is not completely true or right because I'm in my learning phase. I don't know the exact, nutritional benefits of everything that I'm eating. But being a layman or being a normal human being who is just doing a corporate job and is running a small business, I'm treating myself as someone like you guys, like you all. I am a part of you, and we all are same. We are all are struggling to the same things. So it's important that we, make a habit, or we make a what we make a habit of doing these things for a very long run and not just follow some random nutritional diets for 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, or for a year, and then forget that our body and our, you know, fitness exists. So that's why maybe in this journey, I may not be 100% correct in many things, and I will be glad if I am corrected for any of the things that I speak or I share. And in this way, I will feel that at least people are watching me, and they are in some way or other feeling that yes, this is something we can do as well. So I hope you've been enjoying my videos. I'll be bringing more videos and will be, staying me updated and keeping you guys updated with everything. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Being a content creator, it's my part to tell you this. And अगर अच्छा लग रहा है videos तो subscribe कर भी सकते हो, right? Anyways, I hope you are enjoying the videos, and I hope you're also learning and motivating yourself, because I am trying my best to motivate myself as well as the people who are watching me. So stay tuned for the next videos.